Interactive elements allow users to set custom actions for images and other presentation elements, bringing a whole new level of engagement to presentations. Let's assign an interactive action to the calc icon, directing audience to a slide with more details on Collabora Online Calc. To assign an action, right-click on the calc image. Then choose Interaction from the menu. The Interaction dialog will open, allowing you to choose an action. You can choose from various options such as navigating to a specific slide, playing an audio, running a macro, and more. Select Go to Page or Object from the available options. Then, choose Slide 4 since it contains detailed information about calc. Click OK to save the interaction. To test it, right-click on the calc image and select Execute Interaction from the menu. We have successfully navigated to Slide 4 with the calc details. The next slide highlights the key benefits of Collabora Online. For each of these buttons, you can set an interaction that directs the audience to the specific slide with more details about that benefit. This allows you to create a customized, interactive experience, helping your audience quickly access the information that's most relevant to them. This added flexibility transforms presentations into dynamic experiences, ideal for live demos, interactive workshops, and training sessions, where keeping the audience engaged is key. Try it in your next presentation. For more helpful tips, subscribe to our channel.